Hello and welcome to an episode in the NOCH calendar. Yes, my name is Martin Ternroth and I've been given the opportunity to be your host tonight. In this video I will present one of my favorite NOCH items, which is the assortment of leaves. Yeah, NOCH has an assortment of leaves to make every type of foliage, like trees and bushes and stuff like that. And together with the spray glue, it's magic. So here we have the leaves. This is 07152, which is light green leaves. And there are also a range of other colors. This is the light green, this is middle green, and you also have an assortment of autumn leaf in yellow, red and brown. Here I have a close-up of the middle green leaves, and you can see that it's really miniature leaves. In this video we will make trees with these leaves, and I'm using the nature trees from NOCH. It's item number 23100, and when you open that pack it looks like this. Now these looks already like trees, but they have some leaves. Here you need to peel them off before you start applying your own leaves. Once they're gone, we are ready to spray this with spray glue, and then it's good to have a cardboard box like this to spray inside to avoid getting that spray glue on your table. So I'm just spraying the entire tree. It doesn't require much, just a mist, and then you can sprinkle in your favorite leaves. For this tree I'm using the middle green. Make sure to get coverage all around, and the result will look something like this. I typically use a screwdriver to make a hole for the tree. I fill the hole with the scenery glue 61133, and then I put the tree in place. And this is what it looks like. If you like, you can also paint the trunk, like I've done here to get some birches. The leaves can also be used to customize the foliage on NOCH Tree Amateurs. To do this, I typically use also some static grass. This is brown 6mm, item number 7082. 6mm equals to 1/4 inch. Spray the tree with spray glue and then sprinkle in that static grass, and you will have a foliage which now looks something like this. Mist in extra spray glue and then sprinkle your leaves on top of that. Once you feel happy with the coverage of leaves, then you can mist some spray glue on top to fix it. These trees can be placed on your layout without gluing, or you can glue them in place using the same type of scenery glue. And this is what it looks like. I think this foliage is just great. So, thank you very much for watching this video, which presented a bit of what you can do with just a few leaves and spray glue.